Depending on the vehicle manufacturer and the conditions of use, the motor oil has to be changed at regular intervals. It's important that you find out about the correct motor oil and the corresponding quantity in advance. The online oil guide by Liqui-Moly can help you here. In order to properly carry out the motor oil change, proceed as follows. Open the bonnet and slightly raise the vehicle at the intended points. Remove the oil filler cap on the engine. Add the Liqui-Moly Motor Clean to the motor oil at operating temperature in the prescribed concentration and close the cap again. Then allow the engine to idle for 10 to 15 minutes. Motor Clean ensures that all impurities and deposits are dissolved and removed from the oil circuit during the oil change. This is the only way that new oil added later can attain its full performance. Then further raise the vehicle and position a waste oil collecting tank under the oil pan of the engine. After this, open the oil drain plug on the oil pan. Be particularly careful as the escaping hot oil can lead to burning of the skin. Allow the oil to fully drain from the oil pan. Then, replace the seal of the oil drain plug or entirely replace the plug and tighten it with the torque prescribed by the manufacturer. Then, lower the vehicle down again. Now, remove the oil filter with a suitable tool. Then, replace the oil filter and the seals. Apply a little used oil to the new seals in order to avoid damage during installation. Then fit the new oil filter and tighten it with the torque prescribed by the manufacturer. After this, fill the necessary quantity of the prescribed motor oil in the engine. Give the Ceratec Wear Protection additive a good shake and add it to the new motor oil. When filling, make sure that the maximum oil quantity is not exceeded. Then close the oil filler opening. With the attached sticker, you can also document date and the mileage. Ceratec also reduces friction and wear and therefore ensures a higher service life of the engine as well as reduced fuel consumption. Our tip: you can already mix the motor oil and Ceratec in the oil canister beforehand. Now, start the engine and let it idle for about 5 seconds to make sure that the new oil covers all parts. Then check the oil level is correct according to manufacturer specifications. You can find this in the operating manual of your vehicle. Note the mileage for the next due oil change on the label of the canister and stick this to a grease-free spot in the engine compartment. Close the bonnet and carry out a test drive. Finally, check that the oil circuit is sealed. The oil change is now complete. Thanks to the internal engine cleaning with our Motor Clean and the combination of Liqui-Moly motor oil and our Ceratec Wear Protection additive, the engine is now optimally protected.